Dropshipping is often presented as a business that requires no money to start. That is partially true because there are certain procedures you must be aware of before you start your dropshipping business on eBay or any other marketplace. You probably heard that it requires no money from some ads on YouTube with topics like, "You can earn money doing dropshipping without an initial budget." That statement becomes true only after a while, and that is when your business has already run for 90 days on the platform. That is because eBay does hold your money for 21 days after each sale, and if you are going to use marketplaces such as eBay, Etsy, or Amazon, your money will be held for at least 21 days. This simply means that you are getting your money 3 weeks after your product was purchased. Have it in mind that none of the marketplaces online require any fee or payment to start selling on their platforms. You are free to sell your products. However, once you sell any product, your revenue will be held for a certain number of days because you are new to their platform. Usually, the money held will be accessible after 90 days on their platform if you have successfully sold 25 items worth a total of $2,500. The Etsy marketplace does have a similar money hold policy, but if you are going to sell on Amazon, that's different. Amazon holds money each time you make a sale, and this means there is no such thing as instant money here. Let's assume you don't want to use online marketplaces to dropship your items and you decide to register for a Shopify store. That's even worse. You will have to pay for your Shopify subscription and domain name. The worst situation here is that you have to bring your clients to your shop, and the items you have listed will not be found in search as easily as they would be on eBay or any other marketplace. The solution to this is the fact that you must buy ads from Facebook, Google, or TikTok to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Buying ads will consume your money before you even make some money. Therefore, to dropship with no money involved, let's stick with eBay and see how we can try to fix the money hold policy and get your money faster after each sale. The initial 21-day hold is fixed unless you provide working tracking details that show that the item has been delivered. In such a case, you will be able to withdraw your funds faster than 21 days. However, that doesn't entirely solve our problem, and you still have to invest in your first product and pray that the item will arrive on time while hoping there is nothing wrong with the item itself. So again, a little obstacle that proves that dropshipping on eBay cannot be done without having a budget. Now there is a certain trick that I don't really recommend you do. But if you are really short of money and you can't borrow $100 to buy your products for your customers, you can do this easily. First, set your handling time to 5 business days on eBay. This means you are telling your clients that after a product is purchased, the item will be shipped after 5 business days. In this case, you will get 1 week from the money hold policy, and only 2 weeks will be left till your money is released from eBay. In the remaining 2 weeks, you have to figure out how to get that money from eBay to order your item. So again, you have 5 business days of handling time till you ship the products, but now you need to fix a 35 business day delivery after the item successfully ships out. If I calculate it right, you now have 40 business days for that item to be delivered. That duration is too long for the buyer to wait for the item to arrive. Using this option, you must sell items that are valued at no more than $20 in order to calm your buyer and explain that your item was shipped without a tracking number. After 3 weeks and 15 business days have passed, eBay will finally release your money and you can buy the item. Make sure that you buy that item with faster delivery and less profit because you have 25 business days left to deliver the item. In this situation, when you fake the shipping and claim that the item was shipped with an untracked tracking number, you are risking your account, and this is not recommended to do for the long term. But after a few sales, you will be able to buy your next orders from your profit and grow your business step by step. Another option is to sell low-value items, such as stickers or something that doesn't cost even $1, and you sell it for a few bucks to earn extra money. I do hope each and every one of us can find some bucks to order low-priced items from the supplier. Now you can see that the concept of being portrayed by ads that say no money to start dropshipping seems a bit complicated because of the money hold policy. That's why I told you initially that there is no such thing as starting without a budget. In either case, you will have to pay for your initial orders out of your pocket. There is one more option, and this is that you will sell your own items from home to get your funds sooner when you are just starting eBay dropshipping, and you will also need to achieve the parameter of selling 25 items worth $2,500. Nevertheless, don't forget that you have to pay for the shipping in this case, which is again not free to start. Business always requires one of these. Either it's your time or money. So don't believe in everything that's looking so good on the internet, because if you have bought a dropshipping guide from someone else, you have already spent your money, and that money could be used for items to be ordered after a sale. The only person that earned a lot of money is the guy that sold you the course. This is why I am preparing a full dropshipping course for free. If you would like to watch this course, let me know in the comments and subscribe to our channel. But that's not all. If you want to know if it's possible to make money with no money, you might also be interested in how to make fast money on eBay. Click on the image on your left if you would like to know more about this method. If you are still undecided about which supplier you want to work with, click on the video on your right. Thank you for watching this video.